Hello, so do you have a fear of driving for the first time? Now maybe you're someone who can't even take driving lessons because you're so scared of driving. Maybe you've even booked lessons in the past, maybe even had an instructor turn up and you just couldn't face doing lessons. Maybe because you're worried about being in situations like this where you can barely see ahead and there's horse muck all over the road and there's not much room and the view's not great because of shadows and trees. Maybe you're scared of driving full stop. Maybe you're scared of high-speed driving. Whatever the reason is for you being scared of taking that first step, I understand what it's like, because not only do I work with people all over the world to help them overcome their fear of driving, but I was also a driving instructor and still am a driving instructor, and I've taught over 1,000 people over 20 years. So I'm just going to look what's going on here. It's a bit of an awkward junction there. So yeah, you're not stuck with this problem. If you want to get rid of it, you can get rid of it. And I have people come to me all the time who say, you know, they really want to get rid of this problem, they want to get rid of this fear, but they're just not sure if they can do it. Well, you can, whether it's the fear of driving for the first time, as in a driving lesson, or whether it's a fear of driving after you've maybe had some unsuccessful lessons. Then it doesn't matter, you can get over this fear, you're not stuck. I've done another video which you can find on my channel, it'll be quite close to this one probably, and it talks about how you can get over the fear. And I know what it can seem like, you might think, oh no, because it's different for me, because I'm different and my problem's different. Everyone always thinks they're different, everyone always thinks that they're special and they're beyond help, and no one understands them and they're so different to everyone else. You can fix it, right? Really, I know what you mean. I know I've had that feeling myself, like I'm beyond help, no one can help with this. But they can, it is possible to get help with it, and you can overcome this fear. So if you want to do that, and if you want to be driving just like I am now, and I don't know where I am, don't know where I'm going, I'm just driving around aimlessly filming this video, and I can do it, and I'm not scared of this at all. It's great and I'm having fun and I enjoy it. So if you want to be the same, then all you got to do is get in touch with me, have a free chat with me online, and we'll fix your problem and you can be driving just like this. So check out my other videos for more help with the fear of driving and how to get rid of it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.